Hey, I'm Sean, and thanks for looking at the Guarantee RV YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at a 2021 Coachmen Freedom Express 324 RLDS. We'll start on the outside of the trailer here. You're going to have a full pass-through storage on the front. A couple other great features. You're going to have automatic awning, outdoor Bluetooth speakers, an outdoor kitchen. As we walk inside, you're going to walk into a real nice living area with an island kitchen. Two big slides up here as well, with a great entertainment. Sleeping for plenty. You're going to have entertainment seating here as well. As we go to the back, you can see a nice full-size bathroom here. Walking into your full-size master with a slide out. Full-size closet in the back. Spot for TV or entertainment. Once again, this is Sean with Guarantee RV, and thanks for looking at our Coachmen Freedom Express 324 RLDS.